It is common sense that if you are able to write regularly and quickly, you will become more productive and will be able to self-publish multiple books each year. Traditional published authors may only have been expected to write one book per year, but there is no reason why self-published authors cannot release 4 to 6 new books every year. Some full-time self-published authors are releasing considerably more titles than that. And writing productively in this way all comes down to 2 main variables. 1, the amount of time that you have available to actually sit down and write. And 2, how many words you are able to write during each allocated period. It is simple maths, but it is very important that we are fully aware of this formula. I realise that you may not have as much control over the first variable in the formula as you would like, depending upon whether or not you have a full-time job. Although planning when and where you write will certainly allow you to allocate more time to your writing than you may previously have thought possible. However, the second factor, how many words you are able to write during each allocated period, is very much within your control. The ability to write quickly has a huge impact on how many books you are able to write each year. And if you are able to self-publish more books, then it gives you more opportunities to cross-promote, offer lead magnets, and gives you a better chance of becoming discovered. So now that we have established that writing quickly is important, the question is, how do you write fast without having to compromise on quality?